issue which we needed to address and handle in this in the last CPA negotiation was the issue of taking care of the interests of the classroom teacher, who was not considered in the CPA of 2017 to 2021. This was the main agenda of the union. It was unfortunate that this was not considered. The classroom teacher got only a salary increase of about 600 shillings. Just the peanuts after waiting for more than 8 years for a salary increase. 2 years ago, about 4,000 teachers left TSC to Public Service Commission. They were transferred to Public Service Commission. Those who were teaching in DVET institution. They are PET graduates. And because of the stagnation which is there prevalent in TSC, they were equated with their counterparts in public service who graduated to them at the same time. And they moved direct from job group L to B without interviews. And therefore there is a need to ensure that these job groups are harmonized. Those was in Public Service Commission and Teacher Service Commission. This was needs to be relooked. It doesn't need to wait for the next CPA. This is a discrimination which is ongoing. It can be handled at this point in time.